Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm still absolutely full of cold, so I haven't got a tutorial for you, but I have got something quite exciting, which is all of our new colours shown closer. So we've got a big colour refresh coming when the catalogue goes live in May, which means we're losing 11 colours from our core collection and bringing in 11 new ones, as well as our in colours which change every 2 years, so we have an overlap. So we have 5 that are coming on for 2023, 24 and 25, and then those will stay around for 2 years, but next year we'll have a change, so there's constantly an overlap. But let me get started with our colours. So from the neutrals, we are bringing back Misty Moonlight. This was an in colour from a few years ago, and it's a very, very nice shade. We're going to get reflection off my lights, unfortunately, but it's lovely. It's such a nice, soft, not denim blue, but it's a soft blue. So it's joining our neutrals collection, but we have a brand new colour, Pecan Pie. Very nice. It's a nice sort of, it's a sandy brown. I know it's called pecan, not sandstorm or something like that, but it's a sandy brown. Very nice. So those are joining our neutrals. For our subtles, we've had quite the change there. Fresh Freesia is leaving our in colours but coming straight into our core collection of subtles. So we all know Fresh Freesia. It's been around for the last 2 years, sticking around a bit longer. Come on, focus. There we go. A lovely, very pretty shade. But also a returning colour is Lost Lagoon. This one was one I didn't use a huge amount, but I'm looking forward to be using it more frequently now it's part of the subtles lineup. But we have 2 new colours, and I'm really excited for both of these. The first one, Bubble Bath. That's so pretty. That is a pinky purple. So it's not super pink like Melon Mambo, but it would work well with that, but it pairs nicely with the more purpley Fresh Freesia and Highland Heather, so you can see where it's going with that. So that's this one here. So it would work beautifully there, but also very well there. Now I'm going to get myself all confused now, aren't I? But another brand new colour is Lemon Lolly. Not easy to read, but Lemon Lolly. Very, very nice. Looks nice with soft sea foam. Also goes very well with Daffodil Delight because it's a yellow. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Should I have done the same for Lost Lagoon? Should I bring in a couple of other blues for Lost Lagoon? So that's a nice pairing. Pool Party and Lost Lagoon. They're both sea themed. We're liking those. Right, okay, now I'm going to get myself confused now. Neutrals, subtles, brights. We'll do brights next. We are bringing back Berry Burst. I'm pleased about that because I have a kitty called Berry. But this was an in colour, again, a few years ago, as was Lemon Lime Twist. They were in the same in colour collection. Didn't love this, did use it earlier this week. But Lemon Lime Twist, I'm going to show you this with other greens. So that's Parakeet Party and Granny Apple Green. So that's kind of where it sits. It's more lemony, funnily enough, it's Lemon Lime Twist. Not the same, and I hope it's showing up well enough. So it sits very nicely with those. And where was this one? There we go. I bring those in as well, so that's Lemon Lolly and that's Soft Sea Foam. Let's see what happens if I knock my lights out. Oh, not goes well. Oh well, we'll leave it like that now. Oh, it's dark as anything for me trying to watch it. My camera seems to, it's brighter on the screen that I'm looking at than actually in real life. So that's, I've forgotten where I was. Lemon Lime Twist. Berry Burst. Berry Burst is going to sit very comfortably with, I'm looking for them, I've pulled them all off. It's going to sit beautifully with Shaded Spruce. Shaded Spruce is a funny one inside the Regals collection because it's a bit of a brighter one, but it's going to sit very nicely with those. That's going to be a lovely pairing. How is it looking with Blackberry Bliss? Again, a very nice pairing. Oh, somebody's been and shut my office door. Oh, okay. So that's returning So's Lemon Lime Twist. But we have a brand new blue. I'm going to get every ink pad off my shelf, aren't we? Azure Afternoon. Focus. There we go. Very nice. We've lost Pacific Point, but this is going to sit very well with Balmy Blue as a nice soft blue. Tahitian Tide, that's where it sits with those ones. So it's kind of in the same territory. But if I ditch that and I bring in Orchid Oasis, that's a nice pairing. Don't you think? I think so. But again, that's going to be one that's going to sit very well with this strong tone of shaded spruce. I'm very happy with it. Is it going to sit with Night of Navy? Probably not quite so well, but it's going to be nice in there. Another one that I thought it would sit very well with, and I'm not an orange person, is Pumpkin Pie. They are both from the Bright, so there is logic in there. But yeah. Oh, it's going to be a mess putting this lot away. Right, we've got two Regals. Blueberry Bushel and Pretty Peacock. Both of them are returning. Both of them were in colours. Now this one, I can't see everything now. So where is it? Where's Lost Lagoon? There it is. So Pretty Peacock and Lost Lagoon, they just sit very nicely together. We'll just scooch that out of the way for now. Misty Moonlight will sit in there with them. It's got those slight grungy undertones. I wonder if Mossy Meadow is going to work in that as well. You see, it does, doesn't it? Anyway, Pretty Peacock, again, not one that I used a huge amount of time. Blueberry Bushel, nice, bright, cheerful. It's going to work. It's not in the Brights, it is in Regals. No, it's not. Is it? I'm now confused. My desk is a mess. Yeah, Blueberry Bushel. It's going to sit in with the Brights. It's going to move around, I feel. Okay. Then lastly, and this is going to make sense if you think about it. These are our new in colours. We've got Moody Mauve. I'm British, it's mauve. Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, Boho Blue and Pebbled Path. Now, they remind me of metallic colours or metals, but without the metallic. So we've got bronze, silver, gold, rose gold, platinum. Okay, I know it's blue, but are you getting it? That's what I immediately thought of when I saw those three colours, and then thought, well, yeah, that's rose gold and platinum, because platinum does have a blue tone to it. But yeah, Copper Clay, very nice. I've used that already. Pebble Path, I can't wait to use. Obviously, we've got a couple of other greys. We've got Smoky Slate, Basic Grey and Grey Granite. I would say that's a nice pair, but actually that will work quite well as well. Copper Clay, just gorgeous. It's really nice. It's a real sort of gingery, but not as ginger as Cajun Craze. And Pelican Pie? Nobody wants a Pelican Pie. Pecan Pie, a little bit sandier, so it's got that warm earthy tone, obviously, because it's called clay. What else have we got? Wild Wheat. Now, there's been opinion about this. I actually really like the colour. I think it's very nice. I have no objection to it. I'm going to put that with neutrals. I'm going to put that with my Gone Off crumb cake, which isn't that colour anymore. It's actually that colour. And the cat agrees with me. I have no objections to that colour. Moody Mauve, love it. Very nice, very soft. I'm going to sit this probably more with neutrals than anything else. If I bring in Grey Granite and Smoky Slate, I can see it as being the main focus, the main background of a stamped card, but with flashes of mauve. Just very nice. And she is a bit moody, you know. Oh, I've just put that, whoopsie daisy, look, everything's falling now. Had it in my hand and I went near Blackberry Bliss. That works too. Oh, the endless combinations. And then finally, Boho Blue, which we have seen for a while because it was our Celebration giveaway of the mini cut and emboss was in this Boho Blue. Let me bring in some other blues and surround it. I don't think I've got any left on my shelves. I'm going to say possibly not that one, but actually Highland Heather's going to look very pretty with it. What else have we got that will sit with it? Lost Lagoon has got similar tones. It's that sort of undertone, but oh my goodness, my mess. My mess on my desk. So those are the new colours. I also wanted to say that we have reformulated our pens as well, our markers. So I'm going to get shaded spruce and I'm going to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and we've got, it's the same double end as we've had before. So we've got the thick brush that's, you know, a nice tip to it. So you can do the light feathery strokes, but you could also do the thicker stroke. And if you're very good at calligraphy, you could do that too. It's our pen end that has had the biggest change. It could just focus. There we go. So previously it was just on the tip. I haven't got a pen here. Have I got one handy? No. It was just, there was only ink right on the very tip there, but now the ink floods down. And it's a bit more like a colouring pen, like a marker that you would have for school. So it's very nice. I like it. And I do use these. Well, I haven't used these, but I do use coloured pens in my diary, in my planner. So I can see myself using these a bit more often. I might have to get a whole set for my other side of my office. Anyway, so those have fully changed. I'm not going to bring anything else onto my desk because, oh my goodness, it's a mess. And you can't see it all. It's all over here. It's everywhere. I'm going to have to put everything back. Anyway, I hope that's helpful for you. With the new catalogue, there will be an opportunity to buy just the new colours, the 11 new core colours. Obviously, the in colours are always a separate bundle anyway that you can buy. But the 11 new core colours, you can buy them as a bundle with the inks. What else comes in the bundle? I want to say the cardstock as well. So you don't have to buy, you don't have to check out one number. If you want to get all 11, you don't have to do 11 different code numbers. You can buy them all as a bundle, which is exactly what I did. I want to say the same with the markers as well. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I'm going to go and take my nose somewhere else, have a good cough and get my throat back because my voice is on its way out, and go and find out what the cat wants. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I've got a cute project coming up on Friday. I can look at it. I'm looking at it to my left. It's using retiring stuff and then I'm going to remake it with new stuff. Take care, everybody. Bye.